Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make a half treble crochet in the UK terms, half double crochet US. To do this, we are basically starting the same as if we were making a UK treble or US double crochet. So yarn over, in through that stitch, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over, but this time we pull through all 3 loops. Do that again for you. Yarn over, in through that stitch, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over, in through the next stitch, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over and pull through all 3. It's as simple as that. If you need to, stop, replay where you're at, keep trying this until you feel comfortable with it. It's really quite a simple one. When you master the UK treble crochet US double, this is quite an easy one to do afterwards. I have other tutorials out for beginning stitches. Thank you for watching, for keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.